Hello everyone, my name's Erina. I work in the HR department here at the diocese, and when I'm not HRing, I'm crafting. During this Advent season, we're going to be bringing 4 different super easy, super cheap crafts for you to be doing with you, yourself, or your family. The first week is make your own Advent wreath. No hot glue gun, nothing to burn you, super easy, so let's get started. The supplies you're gonna need are a green wreath and ribbon. I chose super simple ribbon of the rose and purple. You're gonna need the Advent candles, 3 purple, 1 rose. These are from Amazon and they're battery operated so you don't burn down your house. You're gonna need floral wire and some kind of bling. Whatever you wanna use. It's super simple to find them. Any craft store will have these kind of different blingy things, shiny, sparkly, if you will, that you can put in your wreath. You can keep it super simple or you can be extravagant. But today we're gonna go super simple. So first we're gonna place our candles so we kind of get an idea of where our ribbon's gonna go. So I keep them in 4s. I know some people do crosswise, but I do 1, 2, 3, 4. So, first one. And if you're using real candles, I would suggest getting a wreath that has candle holders already, or you can go to the dollar store and buy candle holders. So, let's place these in where we think we're gonna like them. So, purple, purple, rose, third week. And then another purple. And just kind of secure them around the wire. This is not a real live wreath, obviously, because you can't do that with a real wreath. So I like to start in the front here with a nice big bow, and I'll show you how to make a bow very quickly using both ribbons. And make sure that you have your floral wire ready because your hands are gonna be full. So, take the pink and the purple and put them together. So then, and you can, that's the cool thing about crafting, you can do a simple tiny bow or you can do a gigantic bow. Me, I'm doing the gigantic bow. So, they're together. You're gonna fold them in 1. Take the extra that you have here, and then you're going to flip it. Other side, grasp, flip it. Another loop, grasp, flip it. So I did 3 separate loops on each side. Then you're gonna cut. Don't worry about that, we'll make it look pretty in a minute. Take your floral wire, go right in the middle, wrap it around, and then you are going to twist. Twist really, really well, and then make a little kind of loopy thing in the back here. Then we're gonna put it in the front and wrap it around one of our little twigs here, and then and then you're gonna spread it out, zhuzh it up, as I like to say, and there's the beginning. So there's the front of it. I'm gonna take now my blingy little berries, pink, that I found, and then we're just gonna put them in between where the candles are for a little bit more visually appealing wreath. Again, we're not hot gluing anything because I know some people get super scared of hot glue. If you want, you could put ornaments around on it, pink and purple ornaments, stuff like that. I have done that before. I didn't do that this year. And then if you find some cool other blingy things, just can snip, put in. And the cool thing is you could just take this apart when Advent is over and store it away. And then next year, pull everything out again and you'll be good to go. So then you're gonna put these around so things kind of hang out. You can use any color, anything you wanna do. My Advent wreath at home is very rustic looking, and I used a lot of gold because I think it stands out a little bit more. And why not make your wreath stand out? I'm gonna make you a little bit tighter. And then I take my bow, my ribbon, whatever color you choose, just one little fold, one loop. Cut it. You're gonna wrap around the bottom. And then we just kind of put it in where there's emptiness, like that. And that's really just basically what you're gonna do. And then that's it. That's all there is to it. Visit rcda.org/Advent, and thanks for tuning in.